Procrastination has been my worst enemy. For the past couple of months, I've been getting my hair braided consistently. And growing out this undercut has been tough, especially since I don't know how to cornrow. But today that all changes. I taught myself how to do it, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it too. What's good, YouTube? It's Nathan Xavier. I should have done this so much earlier. I waited 10 months to teach myself to do this. I'm not gonna lie, they're not the best cornrows, but they're good. They're manageable and they're in. They stayed in for the last couple of days. Now we can go and do the hairstyles that we always used to be doing, like the twists, the box braids, the coils. The coils are gonna look nice now. It's been so long. It's like, damn, bro. I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna wash my hair, all that crap. I feel like I show y'all that all the time. Let's just get straight into it. You look like a dickhead with this shit on. I just finished washing my hair, so now we can get started with braiding the undercut. So first I gotta section off the long hair from the undercut, which is gonna take a while. It's like some of the long little strands, like tiny, like it'll be 1 or 2 strands that'll go down with the undercut. There we go. Bro, I look like a little egg. This really like puts it into perspective how big my front taper was. This shit was huge, dog. And y'all didn't say a single thing, bro. Yeah, his high top's okay. No, it wasn't. We're only using 3 products today. Well, 4 if you include water, leave-in conditioner. When my hair is in braids, it's well conditioned. Then we're going in with some gel, just a little bit, not too crazy. Except on the undercut. On the undercut, I'm going crazy with the gel. It just makes it a lot easier for me to be able to cornrow, so it makes it look a lot better than what it actually is. Deep down inside, I am struggling. It's easier to grip the hair with this. And then when we're all done, the dandruff treatment oil, because you know me, bad dandruff. Like a middle finger's worth. That's good. I like this extreme gel. It smells like apples. You got a little section. And we're going this way, right? So you want the left hand to be on top. This is my left side. You just want to make 3 little sections. 2 of the strands in my left hand, 1 of the strands in my right hand. Top, middle, and bottom, right? With the hand that has 1, grab top and bring it to middle and move middle to top. Now you have 2 on the right hand and 1 on the left hand. Now you grab bottom, bring it to middle and move middle to bottom. And you do that again. So top to middle, bottom to middle, middle to bottom. You do that twice, and then you can start kind of just doing the actual thing, the actual like cornrow part. You just add hair. Grab hair, and you grab top. You bring top to middle. Now you grab hair again, but you're grabbing bottom this time. But don't grab too much hair. So grab bottom now. Feel me? Next, grab hair again, and grab top. And you just keep doing that. I can't fucking grab the fucking hair. There we go. There we go. Light work. No reaction. Where's the bottom? Light work. No reaction. Light work. No reaction, bro. Yeah, I'm doing it, bro. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at V-Dot. Look at V-Dot. Look at V-Dot go. First try too, bro. I'm proud of myself, dog. I'm proud of myself. I hope that tutorial was kind of good. You just gotta keep practicing, honestly. I didn't understand it the first 20 videos I watched of this. Once I started like doing it, and started understanding the whole process of adding hair and grabbing at the same time. You just gotta keep practicing it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. 3 days ago, when I did it, it took me 2 hours to get both of them done. It's recording for 27 minutes, and I'm pretty sure that took me a good 15. I did that shit. This part's a little loose. Fuck! Alright, now we're redoing this, the end part of this one. And because I don't want them curling up at the ends, I'm just gonna put, you know, the little duck clip trick that I put y'all onto. This will help weigh them down so they don't curl up while they're like still kind of wet. I think ever since I started growing out the undercut, I didn't really like want to do my hair anymore. I just wanted to get braids done, and I couldn't do braids. But now that I know how to braid my own undercut, I can start doing this stuff again. I feel unstoppable again. You feel me? I don't know. It's like this is what was missing this entire time. I didn't enjoy doing my hair for a while just because the undercut was growing out. But now that I know what to do, it's like I'm fucking with this again. It was so calm. I did this all day today, from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. all day. I'm like, damn, I miss those days where I would just focus just on my hair, my content. I have 8 braids on each side, so 16 box braids and the 2 cornrows. 18, I guess you want to count it as 18. I guess it's 18, but I forgot to do one crucial step, which was the oil, so I'm about to do that. To my eye. Damn. Oh, like never fails, bro. Like I'm about to lose one of my eyes, I swear. I'm gonna go rinse out my eye because this shit hurting bad. You know you can't just get braids and you can't just do your hair and not get the cut. Let's go to the cut. So let's get straight into that. My fault. That one was kind of harder this time, but it's the next day. It's the next day. You know, we got all our stuff right here. I'm excited simply because this, I haven't done box braids in so long, and then with the cut too, it's just gonna be amazing. It's just gonna make everything that I've done these past 2 days just even better. Like this is like the cherry on top. This is like the coming to take your auntie. I'm coming to take your grandma. Wealthy. Ain't much left to say, bro. Like, amazing. Undercut braided box braids for the first time in a long time, and the high taper. Like, this is how I looked before when we started this. It's like this is my ugly twin, and then this is the good looking twin. This is the okay. I'm getting too carried away with all this, but make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this transformation. And if you learned how to braid your undercut while I was also learning how to do it too. It's been Nathan Xavier. I'ma see y'all in the next one.
Hey, dealing with niggas like Black Jazz, she send a snack, can't snap back. Running the field like a halfback, reaching my backpack, we push your cat back down.
I look like a little fuck thing, like a little fuck boy. I look good. I can't lie, I look real good. I look real scrumptious. Never doing that again.